Hi, welcome back. I'm Professor Ronald Vincent M. Santiago, and today we'll be discussing Module 18, Problems on Case 1, Unloaded Generators, the three-phase fault. Now, consider this given system. The data for this power system was given in the previous module. Assuming zero fault impedance, analyze the system for a three-phase fault at point F. Note that the positive sequence network for this power system was determined in a previous example. So as mentioned a while ago, we now be considering the positive sequence network, and we already had computed the positive sequence reactance of that positive sequence network. We're going to let now VTH to be equal to 1.0 angle of 90 degrees per unit, IA equal to IA1 to be equal to 1.0 angle of 90 degrees divided by J 0.302 equal to 3.316 per unit. IA0, IA2 is equal to 0. IA to the faulted point, so that gives us 3.316 multiplied by 836.7 to be equal to 2,774 amperes. Fault contribution from the utility at the 138 kV side, IA1 to current divider, that gives us 3.316 multiplied by 6.771 over 6.771 plus 0.256, that gives us 3.195 per unit. IAF is equal to 3.195 multiplied by 418.4, and that gives us 1,337 amperes. So that's the fault contribution from the utility. Now, the fault contribution from the generator G1 at the 2.4 kV side, IA1 is equal to 3.316 minus 3.195, that gives us 0.121 per unit. IA to the faulted point, that gives us 0.121 multiplied by 23,359, and that gives us 2,825 amperes. Unbalanced fault summary. So let's summarize what we've discussed before. For single line to ground fault, sequence networks are connected in series parallel to 3 times the fault impedance. For line-to-line fault, the positive and negative sequence networks are connected in parallel. Zero sequence network is not included since there is no path to ground. For the double line to ground, positive, negative, and zero sequence networks are connected in parallel with the zero sequence network, including 3 times the fault impedance. For three-phase fault, we just need to consider the positive sequence network. So that ends our Module 18. See you in our next module.